Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change display brightness on Tolino reader. And to do this, first we can click on this sun button right here in the home screen, and you can change the illumination with a slider. More you go to the right, it will increase the brightness, and more you go to the left, it will become darker. Now there's also option to adjust color temperature, and if in case you don't have this sun icon right here, we can click on these three lines in the top left corner of the screen, move to the settings, and inside there's illumination settings as well, and you can change them the same way. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.